شربت قهوة طالعة من أحشاء هذا الحيوان، اسمه حيوان اللواك. حبوب البن هذه مرت بمراحل غريبة داخل جسم هذا الحيوان قبل تصل للكوب اللي بيدي.
Okay. But we have the special coffee, you know, we get from the animal. It means that from the poop.
Yeah.
But no worries, you just drink coffee, not drink the poop, okay? So in Bali we call cat poop, you know. Okay. One, so ready to eat by animal. Luwak. In Bali we call luwak, L-U-W-A-K.
Okay.
But the name is Johnny. We call Johnny as well. It's nocturnal animal, sleep all day, just active at night. So it's blind. He's blind right now. Blind in the day, just can see at night. He cannot see anything right now. But it's the produce the best coffee in the world. Actually, this one is the poop before, but has been we dried around 2 weeks. So you know, in the sun. After we dried, and then we washing by hot water. We clean by hot water. This is after we washing by hot water. After we clean by hot water. But 100% the poop has gone. So no worries, you just drink coffee, not drink the poop. So not drink the seed, okay? And then we remove the skin. We just take from the bean inside. But you know, one by one, only by hand. We don't have machine. Everything is manual. So we sip it until we get a powder. This is finally the product so ready to make coffee. Now we get this from the animal. So look like.
Can I see?
Yeah, the animal eat coffee bean at night and then comes out in the morning. Luwak coffee, special coffee. So start from Bali coffee, coconut coffee, vanilla coffee, ginger coffee.
هذا قشر موز وهذه قهوة اللواك. يلا بسم الله نجرب.